The dealerships sell a product, right? So when Ford manufactures a vehicle, they're in the manufacturing industry. They take parts and pieces that they buy from everywhere, put it together, create a car or a truck, and then they sell those trucks and cars to a dealership, and the dealership sees that car or truck as a product. So you see how something can go from a manufacturing to a product very quickly, right? Manufacturing means you have to now get equipment. You have to have big, giant warehouse floor space. Like your footprint has to be big enough to manufacture. Like right now, Trulian is not big enough. Well, it's an 8-figure company. It's not big enough for us to do our own manufacturing, for me to start like a manufacturing plant and create our own greens and wellness and protein powders from scratch, right? So right now we go to a manufacturing plant and we go, hey, here's our recipe. Here's how you're going to create it from scratch. And so let's say 3 days out of the week, they are making protein and greens and wellness shots for Trulian. But then the next 2 days, they might make it for a smaller supplement company. Then the next 4 days, they might make it for a bigger supplement company. The bottom line is they are manufacturers. They have machines and equipment